If you're facing a billing hold on your Steam account, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Check for any expired cards or issues with your bank account. Step 2. Clear your Steam cache. Open Steam and go to the settings. Under the web browser section, click on Delete Web Browser Cache and delete all browser cookies. This can help refresh your account status. Step 3. Verify your account information. Log into your Steam account and navigate to your account details. Make sure all your information, including your billing address and payment method, is accurate and up to date. Step 4. Contact Steam support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Wait for resolution. After contacting support, be patient. It may take some time for Steam to respond and resolve the billing hold. Keep an eye on your email for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing holds on your Steam account efficiently.